Here's the first trade on Monday morning. I got in late. I'm sitting here just watching the market. I'll do a couple of things for you quickly. Number one, I will switch the time frames to have you take a look at the longer time frame, but we've got a pretty nice run up here. One thing I wanted to comment on, you can see how we go up 1 or 2 points. We go up to 1150 to 1152, take a little profit to 1153, take a little profit, go up to 1154 and take a little profit. Now the midpoint of the first support is at 1153.50, so this is where we're stopped right now. I'm going to show you the longer time frame. Here's a longer time frame. We've broken through. This is a typical pattern. We've broken through, coming back to the midpoint of the first support. We've just about crossed all of the moving averages. In other words, they've reversed back down here, but now they're up. So we expect this retracement back. We see where the ergodic is changing color. Long term is coming up from below the midpoint. There's not a lot of criteria about what the difference is, but we do have everything up right now. So we'll wait for this reversal, and then we will get in long with a target of 1157, which is the pivot point of yesterday. I think the market's decided, well, okay, we're in the soup now, so we might as well take the take the up road. There's lots of money sitting on the sidelines after the health bill passed this afternoon. I hope they just don't go after our trading profits after this. So let's watch a little bit, and I'll tell you when I get in here. You'll see it on this chart. I was just looking at Bloomberg. It says it's safer and cheaper to loan to Warren Buffett. He's actually paying more interest for Berkshire Hathaway bonds than the U.S. government, which is showing us that we're finally maybe going to have this big currency crash with the U.S. dollar. So we've got to be cautious here. As the dollar drops, stocks tend to go up, which sounds a little strange, but that's what happens. Now, not much is happening here. I'm in long at what level? 53, and we'll see what happens. I'm going to stop so we maintain some time on this chart. I'm back on the 333, watching this carefully. It may be a pretty strong double top. We're seeing a divergence here, but we're watching this go up. So as long as we got a very strong uptrend, the long-term ergodic is still up. I'm going to stay in. I'm up 1.5 so far. So I'm just going to sit here and wait. Remember, our target was 1157 and a quarter, or 1157, which is the number that the pivot point shows we should be headed toward. So I'm going to turn this off again and hang in for a second. Now I am watching this trade very carefully. I got in at 53. I'm up a point. The reason is it looks like we're developing a double top on the longer term time frame. I have my stop set, at 1152. I moved it up to 1152.50, so I'm still up only about 3/4 of a point, and this is looking a little dicey at the top. I'll let it run a little bit more. The 53 and a quarter, the midpoint of the first support, it might test this one more time, but I'm just about to run out of time, so I'm going to stop and see what happens. Alright, I've reached my target here. I'm going to take my profits. It's running pretty fast, and we get a positive fill as things go running up. So I took my profit for from 1153 to 1155 and a quarter. I may have given some up, but 2.25 points in the bank is a pretty good deal. So I'm going to stop this video now and post it in the trading room. That's how you do it.